Today we're going to make banana loaf with streusel toppings. So for the streusel toppings, we will need the following ingredients: 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1/3 cup light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon cinnamon ground, 1/3 teaspoon salt, and 6 tablespoons unsalted butter. For the banana loaf, we will be needing 3 ripe bananas mashed. So this should be the color of the banana, so it will be the sweetest flavor. 1/3 cup buttermilk, 1/4 salt, 1/4 teaspoon, 3/4 teaspoons baking soda, 1 stick of unsalted butter, 2 large eggs, 1 cup sugar, and 1 1/2 cups all-purpose flour. So we will make first the streusel topping. So we combine the flour, the sugar, the cinnamon, and the salt. Then we put in the butter. This is how it looks like. Some crumbles, some small, some big crumbles of the streusel toppings. We set this aside. We start doing the banana loaves. Let's start with the dry ingredients. So we put the salt and the baking soda. Make sure that we mix it together. This aside and do the wet ingredients. So here's the sugar. We'll put the 2 eggs first. We put the 1 stick butter. This is already melted. And we also add the buttermilk. The mashed banana. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees for the wet ingredients. place this in the loaf pan. About half. We put half. We make a layer. So put half of this mixture and then half of the streusels. I'll use my hand. Then we put the other. This is the baked banana loaf. See, the topping, the streusel is very crunchy. So yummy. It's very moist. Let's eat.